mother was a piano teacher, and I actually started playing the piano quite early at the age of 3 or 4.
Very good.
Hello, I'm Masaki Takinose. I play piano and I've been taking lessons since 2020 here at the Nagoya School of Music. My mother was a piano teacher, so I actually started playing piano quite early at the age of 3 or 4. When I was young, I practiced so hard, but by the time I finished high school, I had to stop playing. Looking back now, I regret that I had stopped playing. But I figured that it's never too late, so I decided to play again. I was fortunate enough to meet a wonderful teacher at this school. She's very committed and enthusiastic, always trying to teach me what music is all about. In order to improve, you need to practice a lot. But I want to communicate to you that if you try, that's going to pay off. Now I'm going to play two-part invention number 15 by Bach.